Hey, I'm Dr. Matt Nejad, and I practice biomimetic and aesthetic dentistry in Beverly Hills, California. I've been using 3D printing in my practice, and it's made a dramatic impact on my cases, my treatment flow, workflows, and just our overall happiness in my profession. It's especially important with 3D printing to use a company such as SprintRay that focuses on the dental field because when I first started 3D printing as an early adopter, I didn't have a lot of support and I didn't really know how to leverage this technology, how to get the most utility out of it. When you work with a company such as SprintRay that has all these tools that are designed for dentistry, including the dashboard, which allows you to design night guards, bleaching trays, and other things like that, it becomes very useful. In my practice, we're doing 3D printing of models. That's important for diagnostic purposes. We're doing 3D printing of final restoration models for the fabrication process. And that helps my lab technician because he had to do stone models all the time. And now we're able to delegate that to staff members. And that makes a huge improvement in our efficiency. We're also using it for night guards, and that's especially huge because as we've perfected that workflow and simplified everything, we're able to get our night guards out quickly, and that's huge for when patients travel out of town to come for cosmetic treatment. They won't have to return for an extra visit. On the horizon is the ability to 3D print final restorations. And that's very exciting because we have the materials, we have the technology, and that's going to be a huge game changer in being able to 3D print inlays, onlays, crowns. You're already able to print provisionals, and that's a very useful technology. And as the workflows keep getting more and more improved, it's becoming easier and easier to implement. Patient acceptance has been dramatically impacted by this because they love to see the technology we're using. Especially when I'm doing a smile design or a cosmetic case, I can design the case, show them the design, do a mock-up. We can make changes rapidly and print them. That gives them the faith and confidence that we're using the best technology, we're very advanced, and it helps them feel more comfortable with the treatment process. For all these reasons and more, I think 3D printing is a must for the dental practice of the future. And my expert tip is to get involved in 3D printing as soon as you can and not look back.